Heard about the EarnBay app? It claims to help users earn through various online tasks and crypto services. But the real question is, can you actually make money or is it just another digital trap? Quick disclaimer, this review is based on public research and personal opinion. The EarnBay website has been around for a few years and does have some positive signs, like a valid SSL certificate and being labeled as safe by DNS filter. That's a decent start, but dig a little deeper and the red flags start showing up. Scam Advisor points out that the site uses free email addresses for all contact points, which is often linked to low trust operations. It also uses a registrar commonly favored by scamming platforms. Combine that with low traffic stats and the presence of cryptocurrency services, which are often high risk and it doesn't exactly scream trustworthy. On Reddit, someone asked if the app clearly pays. The only reply, a blunt no, not exactly reassuring. While EarnBay might look like a legit platform on the surface, there are way too many warning signs to ignore. The lack of reliable reviews, low transparency, and sketchy registrar make it hard to recommend. Proceed with caution or maybe just skip it altogether. Now, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching and I will see you in the next one.